Hey everybody, another day of isolation. To keep from losing our minds, we need to be moving our bodies. We need to try and keep ourselves as physically and mentally healthy as possible through all of this. So today's 5-move song by song challenge is going to look like this. We're going to start with our hoop going from hips to chest. Just an up and down, not keeping it at either extreme. Just going to go up and down, hips to chest for the duration of one song. Of course, at some point during the song, you're going to change the direction of the hoop. Next up, we are going to try the balance challenge. This is the one we do in class. We're going to take 1 foot at a time, send it in front of us, next to us, behind us. We're going to try it twice with each foot, and then instead of being done, we're going to keep doing it for the duration of the song. We're going to be balance experts at the end of this. Next, we are going to bring our arms into it, and we're going to start with some helicopter. Helicopter is the above our head inside grip on the hoop. If you have particularly low ceilings, they have to be way low, or a low hanging light, you might want to do this by kneeling down, or you could even sit on the floor to do this. At some point, obviously, you're going to give the hoop a little squeeze, send it in the other direction. Next up, arms again. We're going to work on our isolations. Full song. Isolations, we've got both hands, both directions, and of course, we've got the two-handed isolation as well. Play around with those. Last song. Really get our blood flowing before we finish up. We're going to do some vertical hooping. You've got vertical up and your vertical down. Switch around between the up and the down, and of course, sending the hoop in both directions. Play around with it. If you do it, let me know in the comments how good you feel after you're hooping. If you're not hooping, I hope you're doing other wonderful things to just try and keep sane during this. So take good care of yourselves. Happy hooping.